this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change the movie language in Amazon Prime. So first thing you want to do is you want to log into your account, you want to select a movie. Then after you select a movie, you can just simply go to this button right here, the subtitles and audio. You want to click on it, and as you can see, you have the subtitles in here and the audio too. So let's just say, for example, I want this movie to be streamed in Espanol, in French, in Hindi, in Portuguese, or other languages. So you could simply do that with clicking on it and then going back. So you already have this movie playing on the audio that you want or on the language that you want. So that's how easy it is. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos like this. This is Josh. I'm gonna see you on the next one.